it's Ted from The Devil's in the Detail. Hit that subscribe button now. See you later. Enjoy the video. Hi everyone, it's Ted from the Devil's in the Detail. I've actually finished the paintwork now on Pete's Porsche. We're all ready for next Monday when it's going to have its clear coat of paint protection film. And I thought I'd give you a show around the car, especially this rear quarter where this has caused us all sorts of problems. All my own fault, I must add, but everything's hunky-dory now. So let's have a tour around the car. Having a glass roof, there's no roof to do, but everything else has been done. If you remember, it's at a minimum of a 3-stage wet flat, more in places than others, and then it's had 3 to 4 stages of polish. Really, it's had 3 cutting stages and then 2 refining stages. The car's not going to go anywhere until it's actually covered in the plastic, so the shine should then last forever. I think you'll agree it's come out very well. I'm really pleased with it. Peter's pleased with it, which is the main thing. Been a lot of hard work and a lot of time involved with this job. A bit longer than normal because of the problems we've had with the paint. You know, I mean, it's had paint everywhere except the passenger door. So all of it's had to be wet flatted and polished at some stage during this detail. And every time it's been round the body shop for Summit, it's come back needing polishing again. So I've lost count how many times it actually has been polished, but you know, the car looks better for it. Like I say, I'm really pleased with it, and easily in show condition, and it should stay like that. I hope you've enjoyed the videos. I'll try and film some of the PPF being done. This is something which I'm looking forward to assisting the chap doing it. I've never done it before, and look forward to having a go with him. So there'll be more of this car next week. As it is now, it's going to be covered up, and it will stay that way until next Monday. Once the PPF's been put on, I can then put the badges, the rear lights, stick the badges back on the boot, of course. I think it looks better without them, but lights in. All the lights have been repolished and they're ready to go back on. I've got to get the tape off the plinth, clean that up, and all the badges have had the plastic took off, and they'll be ready to have some 3M tape on, get all this off for when they go back on. And if anybody wants to know where the emergency boot release is on these, it's here behind the light, but how you get that out without opening the boot lid in the first place, beyond me. That should be tucked down the bumper somewhere where it's accessible, but there it is anyway. There should be one for the front somewhere. I think they're under the plastic splash panel under the driver's side wheel arch. But there you go. Right, I'm going to start working on Dave's Aston Martin again now, and get some of the bits painted. So I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Everybody, as you could probably tell by my voice, I'm not feeling too good. So that's why there hasn't been any videos. I've just completed the paintwork on the Ferrari. I thought I'd give you a look round. So here we go. Every panel has been wet flatted. I've had to revert down to 2,500, followed by 3,000, and then a 3-stage polish to bring it back up. But probably spent at least 2 more days than really was expected of me. But couldn't let it go out without making it look reasonable. Never going to be perfect, too many defects in the paint, but I've flatted a lot of them out. But even if I say so myself, it does look like it's improved the car no end. I'll put a load of pictures up as well, and you'll be able to see the sort of defects that I've been having to work with. But fortunately there was plenty of paint to be able to flat it, to get the majority of them out. It does look like a different car than the one that arrived, and pretty pleased. I'll have a walk round outside when we get it out, but I'm not going to move it tonight. Just not in the mood to do anything else, to be honest, except go to bed. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Right, let's have a look at the interior of the car. And there's the plaque, number 30 of 99. And this is the troublesome interior. It doesn't look the same as leather. You know, it has got a slight different mottle to the leather. Let's see if I can get this. I presume that there's some luggage that goes with this car. There's no rear seats, as you can see, and it's quite beautiful the way that it's been trimmed. Really, really nice car. The green leather dash and steering wheel with the wood in. I've had to put a cover on the gear stick because the buffalo just soaks the oils out of your skin and marks it. You know, it has been a bit of a pain, to be honest, to try and clean it to, you know, a reasonable standard without, you know, taking any of the colour out, because that's the worst thing. Is, you know, the colour is very sensitive on the interior. It's got no protection like leather has from the factory. It's just like a raw hide. But it certainly is a beautiful thing. You know, I can understand why the owner puts it in his garage and then spends his time just looking at it. You know, it's such an unusual shape. Obviously, you know, the bubble glass and the bubble roof, which I've pointed out before. Bigger grille than a standard car, and with the vents underneath. I bet it looks proper aggressive in your rear view mirror when you see this coming behind you. So there we are. It's been an emotional job, you know, with some challenges to meet, and particularly a challenge for myself, brought on by some of the people who frequent our premises. But that was probably right to plant the seed in the first place, because it does look spectacular. Okay, there we have it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.